Hello, my name is George Burnett with Fourscore Physical Therapy. I'm in charge of the healthy eating section, and I've given healthy eating seminars all over America, and now I get to be in the kitchen with you. So let's make one of my favorites. Yes, I've got a lot of favorites from my juice bar. It's number 11. It's called Sunniland. So orange, mango, mint, lemon. Beautiful drink. Let's go, okay? Let me show you, before I turn the juicer on, let me show you how to do this, okay? Okay, so I've pre-peeled some of those two oranges there. Let me show you a safe way. Now I have, okay, small knife here. I got really pretty good, giving seminars from New York City to Seattle, Washington to Texas, and being in front of 500 or 1,000 people, and peeling fruits and vegetables, making juice, microphone, and a juice pile of fruits and vegetables, and a large group of people, 500 to 1,000, and no big screens, but you had to project out there. But anyway, point being, I got pretty good at using a small knife and peeling oranges, in front of the group. Okay, here's what I recommend though. A little, I got pretty good, but in the juice bar, I didn't have my employees do what I could do here. I just didn't want them to slip with a knife, and and we liked using as much as possible like real fruits and vegetables. Yes, we're going to use frozen. We're going to use frozen fruits and vegetables in a lot of smoothies. But as much as you can, do, fresh. And so, here's what I recommend. Okay, oranges. Safe zone, okay? Hand here. Clip off the top like that. You now have turn it over, okay? Clip that off right there. Now you have a stabilized orange. Hand safe zone here. And just kind of trim off on the far side. Right like that, okay? Leave on as much of the white pulp as you can, bioflavonoids there. So leave on as much as you can. It's going to give it a nice creamy juice. It's wonderful. Nutrition, vitamin C, bioflavonoids, antioxidants. It's excellent. I mean, it's nourishing your cells. Oh my goodness. So, okay, here it is. There you go. All right? That's how it's done. Okay, so now what we want to do is lemon. Now, this is small lemon. You could go up to a half. I have a quarter of one prepped right here. I'd probably still, for starters, I'd probably just still do a quarter. So a quarter of a lemon, 2 to 3 oranges, depending on size of oranges. Oranges range in size, so you get 2 to 3. About 3/4 of a cup of frozen mango. It's going to be a 2-step. Again, you're going to juice, and you're going to blend in the mango and the mint. Okay, we're going to juice the orange and the lemon. All right, let's juice that up. Okay, so in most cases, go ahead and cut that orange in half. A lot of the juicers now have chutes that would allow almost the full orange. It still may be best just to put it in half. Okay, ready to go? Let's go. Okay, orange. All right, and let's do there. All right, there it is, nice and creamy. And I think it's really better for the system with all the, the fruit sugar to have that bioflavonoid along with that. All right, here we go. Okay, let's go throw in let's throw in the lemon next. All right. So rind and all, quarter of a lemon, seeds, whatever. It'll be really nice. Now you could go up to, again, that was a small one. You could go up to a half of a lemon, but still, I'm going to call for in the recipe, just starting out with a quarter of it, okay? And then see how you like it, okay? Finish that one up here. Okay, again, it'll be kind of a 2-step. We're going to juice these things up here, and then we're going to add in the mango, frozen mango, and the mint into the blender to finish it off, okay? Okay. Finish that out right there. Beautiful. Sunniland. Now, Sunniland, yeah, oranges, sunshine. Okay, there we go. There's our orange. And lemon. Yeah. Man, I'm tempted to taste this just by itself, but I will wait. Okay, over to your canister for your blender here, okay? In the mango, 3/4 of a cup of frozen mango. Find that in your frozen section. And, okay, so how much mint? I would take, okay, there you go. Okay, that's about the right amount. Okay, right there. So mint, in most grocery stores you're going to find it. You could always request it, but just fresh mint. Okay, we're just going to drop that into there. Okay. All right, and then one more ingredient. I think it's nice to add a little bit. You know, it's an option, but it's the recipe that I did, and it is 1 tablespoon of a organic. It's a dried cane juice. Okay, just look for that in like a health food store, and it's got a lot of minerals in it. You know, again, it's an optional sweetener, but I called for it in the recipe. It kind of sweetens it up just a little bit. The molasses flavor in here really adds a nice touch to it as well. So try it out like the recipe, and then decide if you want to drop that out. So there it is, 1 tablespoon of a dried cane juice. Again, you can find that in a lot of health food stores. A lot of supermarkets are going to carry that as well. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to blend. Okay. Sunniland. Okay. Beautiful, wonderful drink. All right, good. Got that well blended up. Let that kind of shake that off into the blender a little bit. Okay, there we go. There we go. Oh man, it's a great drink. Creamy. Oh man, I don't know if you can see how creamy this is. Nice. 1 nice pint right there. Okay. Cheers. Sunniland. Oh man. Wow. That's really good. This is nourishment, number 1, but it's delicious nourishment. Okay, so get as much of this as you can. Lots of green drinks, okay? I showed you the green smoothies. We're going to be doing green juices I just did. Look back at that one. Green you're growing, green inside, you're clean inside. Those kind of things there. But this is a great morning drink here as well. Okay, get your fruits, get your veggies, get your healthy eating. That's my section to be in charge of here. Get your supplements, because as much as I'm going to be teaching you, you're probably not going to do as much of this as I want you to, or you should or could. So get your supplements. There's a lot of reasons to get supplements to go along with this, and we're going to be helping you out with that. 4 score, we measure your antioxidants and your 4 scores. Keep you young, keep your cells protected, and antioxidants and beta carotene and bromelain and bioflavonoids, healthy vitamin C, healthy capillaries. You want to be your best. We want you to help you be your best. So there it is. That's a great one. That is a great drink. Again, another great drink. All right. There you go. How we measure antioxidants. I never could do this back when I was giving the juice seminars and the healthy eating seminars many years ago. Now we can actually measure your antioxidants in an amazing scientific device. Get with us on that. You get a top zone score. You're going to do that with exercise, healthy eating, good supplementations that actually works. You get a top zone score. You'll be your best. They're here to help you. Cheers again. So good. If you wanted to, you could actually take, and another tip, I try and give you tips with each and every juice, probably a little bit different tip, just because years of experience of doing this. And so this one, it's thick and creamy like that, but you could actually put this back in the blender with about a cup of ice and thin this a little bit and chill it a little bit more. So that's an idea, because the oranges were just refrigerated. Mangoes adding some pretty coolness to this, chill to this. But you can also do that, okay? Beautiful. I wish you could taste it, okay? But you get the ingredients, and they're really pretty simple to get. Juicer, good blender, and the mint is just right. That amount of mint, just right. And again, cheers. I know I'm drinking all these in front of you. And here we are in the kitchen together. So let's help you be your best. can't be your best without your health. Again, Fourscore Physical Therapy and FourscorePT.com. Thanks again, George Burnett.